Today we're going to be checking out the carbon fiber side skirts that you can get for the C8 Z06. So let's go check it out in this video. So thanks for tuning in, and like I said, we are checking out the carbon fiber side skirts that you can get for your C8 Z06. These are OEM type replacement pieces that if you're wanting to go for a little bit more carbon fiber on your Z06, this is the way to go. It comes from Extreme Online Store, or EOS for short, and these pieces sell for $4.99, which is actually a pretty good deal. EOS has been a longtime sponsor of the channel, and their products time and time again have been awesome in regards to their quality of carbon fiber, especially for the price point that you get. And again, these are full replacement pieces that are fully made out of carbon fiber. If you look on the other side of this piece, it is a carbon fiber piece all the way around. It's super light, super sturdy, and it has a really nice finish, especially for the somewhat complex curvature of these side skirt pieces. Sometimes it's a little hard to lay down carbon fiber without having some kind of warpage and stuff like that, but EOS time and time again has been showing that they can do this process and do it at a very competitive price compared to other things out there on the market, especially OEM type pieces. And what I have here are the left and right hand side pieces that again go for $4.99. So pretty good deal. I've seen other companies, even OEM, that go for over $1,000 just to get these side skirts that are in carbon fiber. So these are not bad at all, and they already come pre-drilled for you in regards to all the different spots. So all you have to do is just take off the old ones, use the same hardware from those old ones, and put some double-sided tape on the actual attachment places as well. And between those two, you have a rock solid piece that is not going to go anywhere. And the finish is pretty good in regards to what you're getting. I see a couple of little imperfections here and there that you're barely gonna ever notice. And especially at this price point, it's one of those things, even if it were to ever get nicked or anything like that, the prices are pretty reasonable that you could always get a very simple replacement piece kind of deal. So I'm very happy with how this is looking and just the overall finish. So it's a very simple plug and play. So we're gonna go ahead, get these installed in the car so we can check it out how it looks. So alrighty guys, so we have finished installing the side skirts onto the C8 Z06 and it all came out beautifully. Now the install was super easy. I was actually really surprised at how quick and easy it was. It actually does not need to use any double-sided tape. It can just be held on with just the fasteners and the plastic push pins to actually get it installed. So that made the job of taking off the old ones and putting these new ones much faster. If it was a C8 Stingray, generally those do have double-sided tape on them, and that just requires more work between taking off the old adhesive, putting on the new adhesive, and all that kind of stuff. It's a pain. So I'm actually really glad that these use just the fasteners, and it's really solid. It's not going to be going anywhere. And fitment was just right on, like all the holes lined up. I didn't have to worry about anything. So that's always just like a first concern with any kind of new part that I put on is how is the fitment. The fitment is an A+ in regards to this piece because I had no problems whatsoever. It was so nice to have that. I definitely would recommend this piece, especially for the price point that it is, to get carbon fiber on your Z06. It really is a great deal. And yeah, if you're interested in buying this, I'll have a link in the description so you can check it out. And in the meantime, check out any of my other videos, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.